Hi guys, thank you for coming back. And I'd like to talk about, um, we practice deep stances because deep stances it's easier to produce force. Let's say, for instance, the steeper the angle of your back foot to the knee, the angle of the shin, more energy for it. Similar to a sprint. If you want to sprint, you go into deep angle, so you can start quick, right? Of course, it's not relevant. You can sprint in a fight. You can, but same concept. Deep angle of your back leg, you can create more power. But that you should be able to create force in this stance or higher stance. Still, you can transmit energy from your floor, leg, center technique. Right? So obviously, deep stance, you can make energy. Deep stance, deep angle, I can connect to my center, transmit energy forward. Right? Look, but you should be able to, even if it's not ideal, even high stance, still power from leg, shin, knee, hip, center technique. Right? And most people, when they're in this kind of stance, the power comes from the shoulder. You should still use the concept of a basic deep stance, in this case, phone stance, to make energy forward. And I realize it even more. For example, in my wrestling training, if somebody double leg, yes, so I put my foot, see, the foot angle is, see my foot go back, I can defend. But I realize that my coach, Vlad, he doesn't need to make a deep angle. Right? When somebody shoot at him, sometimes he stays here and still produce force. Most people will fly back. But if you're skillful, you can produce force even in that kind of stance. That's in this case against the takedown. So it's the same in karate. Right? You should be able to make power here, but when it's not available for you and you don't have time, even this kind of stance or even higher stance, still power come from the leg, center to technique. Hey guys, I think this is very important. Practice both deep stances, but anywhere in between. Even in natural stance, it's not ideal. You should be able to produce force. Sometimes we have to fight. It can happen in combat from a place that is not ideal. But make your technique still as effective as possible. Hope this is useful. Thank you.